In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for asset tracking. So in order to do that, first head over to clickup.com, click on this Get Started right here in order to get started for an account, or click on this login option if you already have one. So if you actually want to log in, you can just input your work email, password, or you can also continue using Google. I already have an account, so let me head over and log in. Now from in there, you can see in here my actual dashboard. I want to use this as asset tracking, so what we can do is we can click onto this more option right here and you can add apps, hubs, or integration. Or you can also go over to the spaces, click onto this new space, and then click onto this use template. Now make sure to uncheck all the template types and search in here for specific asset. So let's search in here for asset. And you can see in here this asset management. You can also see asset tracking under the others. So let's head over and use this one instead of this. Click on this, click on this use template, and select the location where it will be added. Let's choose in here my theme space. Let's add it on my inventory. And then name it right here. So let's name it the default, which is asset tracking. Click on this use template. Then after you have done that, this will load in order to add this particular template into our actual library. So on this case, it's under the theme space and under the inventory. So you can head over and locate it right there. Click on your inventory right here. And in here, we can see your inventory. So from in there, you can just find in here the actual asset tracking under this. You can open it and you can see its descriptions and how you can actually track your assets using this particular thing. So that's how you use ClickUp for asset tracking. Hope we helped.